Good morning, all of you. This is Darkness, sir. Welcome you all once again in the online lecture series of Artificial Intelligence and the Robotics. Up till most of the part we have studied, and now we are at the end of this unit. Still one or two lecture we will need to finish this unit. Now, in the previous session only we have completed the two important searches under the state space search. One was the uninformed search and the another was the informed search technique. Now today we are going to see the one more algorithm in the searching category. Okay, that is related with the hill climbing. Okay, this is also the one of the searching technique being utilized in the artificial intelligence. Okay, now related with the this particular hill climbing algorithms, it is also being divided into the two types that we'll see. First, let's see the what exactly this hill climbing algorithm in case of the artificial intelligence is. Okay, and then we will see the what are its types. Okay, so this is like this is being generally referred as the local search kind of algorithm. Okay, which continuously in using this particular algorithm, AI agent try to continuously move in the certain increasing elevation, or AI agents continuously try to move in the upward direction to find the peak of the mountain, or meaning of this peak of the mountain we can take, try to find the best solution to the particular problem. Okay, now let's consider, okay, with one example we'll try to clarify these things. Let's consider this is the particular mountain, okay, which AI agent has to climb. Okay, and AI agent as this particular point. Okay, AI agent as this particular point. Now we have to see the how the hill climbing algorithm helps to reach to that particular top. Now this is the peak point. Okay, this is the peak point where the AI agent has to reach. Understood? And to help to the AI agent, we are utilizing the hill climbing algorithms. Okay, and let's see how this particular algorithm can be utilized to reach to that particular peak point. Okay, now one point we must understand here why this is being called as a local search. Okay, local search in the sense, what do you mean by the local search? Just tell me, what do you think by the local search? Yes, what is your idea of the local search? Yes, Kale Akshada, what do you mean by the local search? Anybody else? Sheikh Arfin, what is meant by the local search? Yes, More. Anything that is in your mind, what do you mean by the local search? You need to speak up, then and then only we can move forward. Yes. Tell me what you are thinking.
सर वो इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में मूव होता है एक ही डायरेक्शन में बेस्ट सॉल्यूशन फाइंड करने के लिए.
You know, I am asking what is the local search? What do you mean by the local search?
Means
Hmm.
so local search. Searching.
Yes, Rohini, local search.
So local search means finding the peak value or key value, like a comparison, and finding the our solution from these some solutions, like easy solutions, so comparison, then matching the elements means
Let me
local
give
search.
you the hint here. Local search and the global search. What is difference?
So local searching,
So local search
searching can be performed
means
locally.
specific.
Yes. Yes, Rohini, what do you think? Yes.
Specific amount of elements दिलेले असतील then त्याच्यामध्ये find.
Means yes, Gade also tell the correct thing. Like local in the sense restricted to the some
limited
space.
हाँ.
Limited space.
Yes.
That is nothing but the local search. Understood. Now consider here you have to imagine one situation, then and then only you can easily understand the hill climbing algorithm. Okay. Now, as I said, here is the AI agent, correct? And this AI agent, by traveling this all the path, he has to reach this point, correct? This is the peak point. What? This is the peak point of mountain. Got the point? Yes. Okay, this situation clear. This is the peak point of the mountain. AI agent is here and he has to reach to this point. Okay, all of you got the situation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we apply the same situation to the ourself. Okay, and then we try to apply it to the AI agent and how the hill climbing will work there. Now, if you want to climb this mountain and you have to reach this point, correct? But there is a strip on your eyes. What? You got what I'm saying? There is a strip on your eyes. Means आपके जो आंखें है उस पर पट्टी बांधी हुई है. Got the situation? Yes?
Yes, sir.
आपके आंखों पर क्या है? पट्टी बांधी हुई है.
Yes.
And आपको इस पीक पॉइंट पर जाना है. Then how you will go? Okay, do the imagination. How you will go? Fennel? सिचुएशन समझ में आई?
हाँ सर.
हाँ, तो कैसे जा सकते हैं हम? हमको we need to put this one by one step.
Single step लेके
Single step.
balance बना के जाना
Why
पड़ेगा.
I am saying there is a strip on your eyes, because here you have to consider the AI agent which don't have any kind of sensors like the camera, etc. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Correct. That's why I'm saying there is a strip on your eyes. Means first, as you are the AI agent starting from this point, then he will put his foot next step on this point, correct? Then this point accordingly. Okay. Can he jump directly here? No. You cannot also jump directly there. You have to go step by step, and that's why this algorithm is referred as what? The local search algorithm. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And through the local search, the AI agent has to continuously move in the increasing elevation. He has to move into only the increasing direction, increasing elevation. that elevation, can we refer to the elevation as an increasing value?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Okay. So he has to every time choose the increasing value to find the peak of the mountain. Okay, to find the peak of the mountain. If he reached to the peak of the mountain, it means what? It has find the best solution, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is our situation. And AI agent searching will terminate once it reaches to the peak value where there is a no neighbor has a higher value. What does it mean? There is a no neighbor has a higher value. No neighbor has a higher value means suppose
No other solution.
no other solution is present better than the current solution. That is the meaning of no neighbor has the higher value. Okay. Now this algorithm comes under the same category, that category we have discussed regarding the informed search. Which category? Greedy local search. Correct. Why it is being referred as greedy? Because it only looks for good immediate neighbor, means when it only looks for the good value or it only looks for the good solution. That is the reason it is being referred as what? The greedy. Greedy
Greedy.
is what? What does it mean by the greedy in the general?
Lalchi.
लालची.
लालची.
इथं लालूच कशाची आहे की बेस्ट सोल्युशन पाहिजे. Got the point? And that's why informed search, all the algorithms of the informed search, and this also comes under the category of greedy local search. Okay, got this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now here, when you are discussing this algorithm of the hill climbing, here we have to consider the two components related with that. That is, the first component is the state. Okay, and second component is the value of that
Value.
particular state. We will see that. Okay, and one more important characteristic related with the hill climbing, it mostly used when there is a good character, good heuristics are available. That is the one particular, what you can say, the condition in case of the utilization of the hill climbing. It can only use when there is a good heuristics are available. Okay, let's see further. Now I am not coming to this figure. I have just shown this figure. We will come to this figure later on. Okay, let's see the next point. Now there are the only some features we will discuss, and then we'll go to the types of the hill climbing algorithm. So following are the some main features related with the hill climbing algorithm. It is based on generate and the test variant. Means what? It is based on test and error method. That is the meaning of generate and test variant. Got the point? What do you mean by the test and error method? What is test and error?
And bugs.
Yes.
Finding the process of debugs and defects.
We try the one option. If it is correct, then okay. If it is not correct, we try for
Yes,
the another
sir.
option. Correct or not?
Yes.
So on that particular method, which is being here, I have named generate and test variant. Hill climbing algorithm is the depend. So hill climbing is the kind of variant generate and test method. The generate and test method produce the feedback which helps to decide which direction to move in the search space. So it tests whether it find the result of that test is good, then it move in that direction. If the result of that test is not according to the algorithm, then it move to the some another direction, or it remain at that place only. Okay. It is the based on greedy approach that already we have discussed. Hill climbing algorithm searches move in the direction which optimize the cost, means which is which can be reached with the less cost and give the best solution. One important features here we have to understand: no backtracking. It does not backtrack the search space because it does not remember the previous state. Means what? It only remember the current state. Okay, one important feature related with the hill climbing. What? It does not do any kind of backtracking, because in order to do the backtracking, you need the some kind of previous history. Yes or no? Correct?
Yes, sir.
When you can backtrack, suppose you want to go to the Nashik, okay, and suppose you choose to go from the Kopargaon, correct? From which location? Kopargaon. But when you reach to the Kopargaon, somebody tells you this is not the way, this is not the route to go to the Nashik, correct? But you are having the short-term memory loss. For example, we are having the short-term memory loss, correct? Correct.
Okay.
Can you come back to the Yeola?
No.
No, because you don't know from where you come. So that is the reason you cannot
Yes.
backtrack. And that is the another feature of the hill climbing, that it does not remember the previous state. It only focus on the current state. Okay, so these are three important features related with the hill climbing algorithm. Okay, we see the then categorization. So generally, this hill climbing being divided into the two types. First is the simple hill climbing. First we discuss the simple hill climbing, and then we'll see its another category. Okay, so it is the simplest way to implement the hill climbing algorithm. Okay, now how this simple hill climbing algorithm works, let's see in the figure. Okay, now suppose you are now, as I said, here is the AI agent. Okay, focus. Here is the AI agent. Okay, this is the current state of AI agent. All of you can able to see. This is the
Yes, sir.
current state of the AI agent, and he has to reach which point? This point. Okay. Now, what the simple hill climbing? What happened in the simple hill climbing? It just put one step forward. For example, this. Correct. Okay. When he put one step forward, it compare this state with its current state. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What it does, now this is its successor state, this state is the successor, this is the
Yes.
current state, correct? So what the AI agent put one step forward, and then it compares, when it reaches to this state, then it compare this state with its current state, and it compare which is giving him the best value, okay, or which is giving him the best elevation. What best elevation here? You have to consider what best elevation in order to reach to this point, correct? So is this the best elevation, or this is the best elevation? Yes.
Higher.
Higher. This is the best elevation, correct or not? As compared with the let me clear it once again. As compared with the current state, as this is the current state, and the AI agent put one step forward, as compared with this state, I'm calling, okay, understood you the state. This is as compared with this state and value of this state. You have to compare with this state and value of this state. Which value will be greater? Here you have to take the value as a greater. Definitely value of this state will be greater.
Yes,
correct?
sir.
So what happened? Then your next state, means this state will become your current state, correct or not?
Yes.
As AI agent start from this point and he go to this point, now he compare this point with this point. If you find this is the better elevation to reach this point, then your current state will be this, yes or no? After comparison, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. And now the AI agent move from this point to this point. Understood?
Yes, sir.
At the same time, he will compare it with, suppose, this state also. What? This state also. Correct? Now, is this the better elevation or this is the better elevation? This is the better. Correct? This is the better.
Higher one.
Higher one is the better. So, he will choose this one instead of this one. Means it will always choose the elevation which is better than its current state. All of you got the point?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. That is only I have mentioned here. It only evaluates the neighbor node state at a time, and only one state at a time, for your kind information. Only one neighbor, means this one,
Neighbor.
this one, and this one. Understood? And select the first one which optimize the current cost and set it the current state. Out of
Current
that, it
state.
select the which one is the good elevation, and then select it and make it as a current state. Okay. So it only goes on checking only one successor state, and if it find the better than the current state, then it move else it remains to the same state. Okay. Now, as I said, it does not remember the previous state. Okay, what I said, it does not remember the previous state. State means the memory requirement will be less and the time required will also less. Yes or no? Because it does not do the backtracking.
Yes.
So that's why it's required the less. That's why I've written it's a one advantage. It's a less time consuming. Okay. Now, one more point is there. It is a leg. It gives the less optimal solution, and it is not complete also, because it does not guarantee you the solution. Less optimal in the sense the solution not best. The solution you get after the hill climbing might be the not best, and sometimes it may not give you the solution also. How it will not give you the solution, that we'll see. Now let's clear it here only. Sometimes solution is not guaranteed. What does it mean? What? Sometimes solution is not guaranteed. Okay. Now let's see. The AI agent go on traveling in this direction. Always he will find the best state, correct? These likewise. Okay. It goes here,
Yes, sir.
here, up to this point, correct? Now,
Yes.
he has reached to this point. All of you can see this point. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now see here. Now this point, it is better than the previous state, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
If this is your previous state and this is now the AI agent has reached this point, this is better than the previous state, correct?
Yes.
But if you see this state, let me clear it again. They will see. If AI agent has reached to this point, okay, his previous state, his current state was this, okay, and now he has reached to this point. Now he will compare this state with this state. So definitely we will find this is the best one, correct?
Yes.
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 But when you go next, and he will compare itself with this state, what will happen? Yes.
Lower one is not best.
Not best. In the sense, what AI agent can think, he has reached to the solution. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
All of you are agree with me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And but
Yes, sir.
is that the solution? Is that the peak
No.
point?
No. No.
Our peak
No,
point
sir.
is here.
Yes.
And that is the meaning, the solution may not be guaranteed.
Yes, absolutely.
And that is the reason this particular point is called as the local maxima. Do you understand what is meant by the local maxima?
Yes, sir.
This is the one of the problem related with the hill climbing algorithm. Got the point?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
This is our main
Yes, sir.
solution, and that's why it is called as the global maxima. Okay, we will see some more things related with it. Let's see the algorithm. Algorithm we have discussed. Let's see in the step by step only. Evaluate the initial state, like as I said, the initial, for example, initial state. If it is a goal state, is it the goal state?
No, sir.
No.
Sir.
If it is the goal state, then success can be written and the stop. But if it is not the goal state, then you need to loop in the sense you need to carry on until the solution is found or there is no new operator left to apply. What does it mean? When you go from this state to this state, that is nothing but the called as applying the operator on the current state. Got the point? Meaning of the operator.
Yes, sir.
When you go from
Yes,
this
sir.
state to the this state, that is called as applying the operator. So you need to loop until you will find the solution, or until you cannot until the AI agent cannot move anywhere. Understood? That is the meaning of this point. So next you have to select and apply the operator. That is you need to go on to the next point. That is the meaning of select and apply the operator to the current state. Okay. And then every time you need to check when you reach to the new state. If this is the current state, this will be your new state. Every time you need to check the new state. If it is a goal state, if it is a goal state, then return the success and quit. But if your new state is not the goal state, that's why the else. If it is better than the current state, then assign the new state as a current state. Correct? If this is the state better than this state, then this will become your current state. Correct?
Yes, sir.
When you apply the operator, this you will go to the next point. So you will compare this with this, and then again this will become the current state. Again you apply the operator. Okay, this will become again. If you compare this one with this will become your current state. Likewise, understood? And you need to go on applying these steps. Okay, and you need to go on comparing the current state with the new state. And if the new state is the better than the current state, but if you can't call it as a solution, then again you need to go to the step 2, and again you have to follow the same procedure. Understood? Okay,
Yes,
understood the algorithm. Same point we have discussed that I told you in the example. Okay, so this is nothing but what? The simple hill climbing algorithm. Understood the simple hill climbing?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's see, it's another variant, that is the steepest hill climbing. Another category in case of the hill climbing, that is the steepest hill climbing algorithm. Okay, let's see how it works. Now this algorithm check or examine all the neighboring nodes of the current state and select one neighbor node which is closest to the goal state. Okay, now one difference you have to understand related with the simple hill climbing. In the simple hill climbing, we have seen this is the current state. Then AI agent go to the next state. Only the one state it go to the next state. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Only the next one state. But steepest hill climbing says what? AI agent can check this state, this state, this state, and then apart from these number of neighbors, it will choose the what will it will choose the? It will choose the better neighbor. Okay.
Shortest one.
It will choose the better neighbor which can take him to this goal point. What was the case in case of the simple climbing? Simple hill climbing?
Only its successor which choose.
Only its successor will get compared. Here, इथं तसं आहे का?
No.
No. कारण कधी कधी कसं how sometimes what happen? See, sometimes what happen? I have shown the scenario like this, but sometimes can happen like this. You will have this kind of situation. Yes or no? Correct.
Yes.
Got the point? And if you use the steepest, and if current state of the steepest is this, and if you just compare the one state, then problem might occur. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
But if he chooses more than one state, then he might chances of the getting the best path is more. Yes or no?
Yes.
And that is the main difference between the steepest and the simple hill climbing. Simple hill climbing than steepest hill climbing. In simple hill climbing, we will only consider only one neighbor, that is its successor. But in case of the steepest hill climbing, whatever the multiple number of possible neighbors are there, they are all considered. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, as you can see, if you have to consider more than one neighbors, then definitely the time requirement will be more. Yes or no?
Yes.
सिंपल हिल क्लाइम्बिंग मध्ये आपल्याला फक्त त्याच्या सक्सेसरशी कंपॅरिझन करायचं होतं. इथं काय करायचं आपल्याला? there can be the more than one successor. Yes or no? So that's why the time consumed can be more. Understood? Because searches or comparison has to be done for the multiple neighbors in case of the steepest hill climbing algorithm. Okay, let's see how this algorithm works step by step. Evaluate the initial state. If this is the initial state, evaluate. If it is a goal state, exit. Is it the goal state?
No.
No. Else make the current state as the initial state. What do? Make the current state as a initial state. So this is become your initial state. Repeat the step until solution is found or current state does not get changed. Means this procedure you have to repeat. Okay. Now how it go on checking the multiple neighbors? Let's see. Okay. Let's consider this is the current state. Okay. And let GS be a state such that any successor of the current state will be better than it. What does it mean? This is the current state, correct?
Sir, it's not visible what you are doing on screen.
Screen is not visible.
Only.
No, sir.
What you are observing?
Sir,
Only
next slide.
steepest ascent hill climbing.
Means you can only see the previous slide.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now,
No, sir. No change.
sir.
no change. Now, is it changed?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now it's changed.
Okay. Okay, now we'll just see how the steepest hill climbing work. Okay. As we have considered, this is if the AI agent start from this point. Okay. If the AI agent start from this point. Okay. First thing is what? It will check whether it is the goal state. Is it the goal state? No. Okay. Then he has to repeat these steps until the solution is found. Okay. And or the current state does not get changed. Now let GS be a state such that any successor of the current state will be better than it. What does it mean? Which state we can call the GS state? GS is a simple name I have given. Let GS be a state such that any successor of the current state will be better than it. We are having this as a current state, correct? Okay. Then which can be our GS state?
That means it will be the good state which will help to reach at goal node.
But now at this point, which state we can call it?
Higher one.
This
Upper
one?
one.
This one?
This one is successor.
Successor, na? What we want, GS be a state such that any successor of the current state will be better than it. Means, let me clear you, can we call, if this is your current state, correct? Can we call this is your GS state?
No.
Let's try to apply this statement with this. Let's GS be a state such that any successor of the current state will be better than it. This is your current state, correct? What will be the successor of this state? All the state next to this, correct? Like this.
Yes.
Means can you call this as a GS? Any successor of this current state are better than this. Yes or no?
Okay. Got
Got
it,
the
sir.
point. Got the point. You need to compare
Yes, sir.
more than one neighbors. Understood? And that's why
Yes.
if this is your, we have to imagine if this is your current state, okay, and you call this, for example, we call this neighbor as a GS, okay, which can be where any successor of your current state, any successor of this state will be better than it. Okay, now let's see what happened next. Let's see. This is your current state. This is the GS state. Okay. For each operator that applies to the current state, whatever steps will be taken by AI agent, that is the meaning of this statement. For each operator that apply to the current state, apply the new operator means perform some movement and create a new state, correct? Only the new state can be reached once the AI agent will make the movement, yes or no? Okay, so apply the new operator. Meaning of the applying the new operator is what? Moving some, doing some movement. Apply the new operator and create new state. So we have applied the operator here, correct? And that's why the AI agent move to this point, correct?
Yes.
And then evaluate the new state. What you have to do? Evaluate the new state means what you have to do? You have to check, correct or not?
Yes.
If from the current state AI agent move to the this state, multiple state, then you have to compare it with this, okay? Multiple neighbors,
Yes.
and with this also. This is also the one neighbor, okay? Now what you have to do? Then you need to do the evaluation of the state. Evaluation of the state म्हणजे काय करायचं की you have to check whether the state you have got, whether is there any goal state. That is the meaning of evaluating the new state, correct? Okay, got the point. So you have to evaluate, like you have to come, you have to see if this is the goal state, whatever state you have got as a new state, you have to check whether they are goal state. If not, and if yes, you can quit there. Got the point?
Yes.
But if not, then you have to compare it with the GS state.
Yes.
Got the point? Now consider this is your, for example, consider this neighbor. Okay. Are you able to see? This is consider this is the one neighbor. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What you have to do? You have to compare. First thing you have to evaluate whether it is the goal state or not. Is it the goal state? No.
No.
Then what you can do? Then you have to compare this neighbor with the goal, this GS good state.
GS.
That's why I have written. If this state is a good state, then quit. Else compare it with the GS. If this state is better than the GS, what you have to see here? If this state, this state is better than the GS, then set this state as a GS. Got the
Okay.
point?
Yes, sir.
This is the better than GS, obvious? Yes or no?
Mm.
Yes, sir.
Then your GS state will become this state. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One more point. If GS is better than the current state, which is our GS now, this one. Okay. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. What we are discussing, this was our current state. Okay. We need to create the situation once again. This was, for example, this was our GS state. Yes.
Yes.
Then we apply the operator. We, in the sense, AI agent apply the operator, and he goes on moving to this state, this state, this state, likewise. Okay. And then he try, then he go for what we are discussing. He first, now when it's reached to the certain state, you need to do the evaluation. Okay. Evaluation means if it will check whether it is a goal state or not. Now definitely it is not the goal state. Then it quit. It will not quit. He will do what? He will compare it with the GS state. Correct? Up to this
Sir.
point we have reached. Yes.
Sir, it is much like finding shortest path to goal state, no?
Yeah, similar. But we are discussing what exactly the comparison between the simple hill climbing and the steepest. Okay.
Steepest.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
The point is the same. We have to reach to this particular point. Okay. Now, if it is not the goal state, then you have to compare it with the GS state. Where is our GS state? Here. We have considered this as a GS state. If this state is a better than GS, if this state is better than the GS, set this state as a GS state. Means this will become your GS state now, correct?
Hmm.
Okay,
Yes.
this will become your GS state now. Yes. If GS is better than the current state, where is our GS now? Here.
Yes.
If GS is better than the current state, then set current state to GS. Means what?
मीन्स आपण ज्या आता स्टेट मध्ये आहोत करंट स्टेट मध्ये जर
हा.
ती जर नेक्स्ट स्टेट पेक्षा जर बेटर असणार आहे
हा.
तर मग आपण त्या स्टेटला करंट स्टेटला जीएस कन्सिडर
आता
करायचं.
अगोदर आपली करंट स्टेट ही होती.
हम्म.
हे सगळे काय हे दिस आफ्टर डुईंग ऑल दिस प्रोसिजर वी हॅव गॉट दिस इज अ GS स्टेट.
येस सर.
Now you have to next compare if this GS state is better than the current state. Yes, this is at the higher elevation.
Yes.
Then what you have to do next? Now this will become your current state now. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Yes.
And in this way, this procedure will continue. Got the point?
Yes.
This procedure will continue. Now afterwards, now the another state below the current state will become the GS state, and similarly, these particular whole procedure will continue. Got the point?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. And this will continue until the solution will find, or until no operator can be applied. No operator can be applied in the sense it become impossible for the AI agent to move forward. Now, when it can become impossible for the AI agent to move forward, that point we have to discuss in the problems related with the hill climbing. That is the next point on which the question being asked for the 4 marks. And also the 2 marks question being also asked on these concepts. Okay. Now, first problem in case of the hill climbing that already we have discussed, that is the problem of local maxima. Is it the problem or not? लोकल मॅक्सिमा हा प्रॉब्लेम आहे की नाही?
येस सर.
आहे, कारण आपल्याला काय एक फॉल्स सोल्युशन मिळतंय.
हो.
बट आवर ऍक्च्युअल सोल्युशन इज ऍट दिस पॉइंट. ओके.
बट सर मग तो कसं काय जाईल नाही का की बुवा आता परत त्याला खाली यायचं मग तो खाली येणार नाही ना.
हा मग तेच ना प्रॉब्लेम कशाला म्हणतो आपण. दॅट इज द प्रॉब्लेम ना. दॅट इज द प्रॉब्लेम इन केस ऑफ द सिम्पल हिल क्लाइम्बिंग अल्गोरिदम. Both in case of the simple and both in same in case of the steepest also. What we are discussing, the problem which are there in case of this kind of algorithms, that we are discussing. Got the point?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
And so here a local maximum is a peak state in the landscape. Now local maximum म्हणजे काय ते here I have described, we already discussed it. Local maximum is the peak state in the landscape which is better than each of its neighbor state. आता ही स्टेट त्याच्या नेबर पेक्षा बेटर आहे की नाही? त्याचे नेबर म्हणजे कोण? हे करेक्ट.
Yes, sir.
Is it better than each of its neighbor state? But there is another state also present which is higher than the local maxima, correct?
Yes.
And which is that higher than the local maxima? That is this.
This. Yes, sir.
Now what can be the solution to this problem? आता याला सोल्युशन काय? बॅक ट्रॅकिंग ना तर फॉरवर्ड ट्रॅकिंग. येस ऑर नो?
Yes, sir.
पण ते तर होत नाही, म्हणून तर आपण याला प्रॉब्लेम म्हटलंय. पण जर सोल्युशन द्यायचंच म्हटलं तर if solution has to be find out, then solution can be find out using the backtracking or the foretracking technique. Correct or not?
Yes.
Backtracking किंवा foretracking ने काय होईल? आपण इकडे जाऊन आणखीन चेक करू, किंवा foretracking म्हणजे आपण आणखीन पुढे जाऊ, चेक करत जाऊ. Correct or not?
Comparison.
Understood. So backtracking or foretracking can be the one solution for the local maxima. So local maxima is the one problem. Another one is the plateau. Another problem is the plateau, which is also very important. What is exactly mean by the plateau? And plateau is the point where we cannot apply the operator, or AI agent cannot move. That particular situation or the location is called the plateau. For example, let's see here. AI agent start from this point, go to this point, this point, this point. Now he has reached to this point. All of you are observing?
Yes sir.
He has reached to this point.
Yes.
Now this point is definitely better than this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But is it better than these? Tell me.
Same.
Same.
No,
They
sir.
are on the
It
same
will be
level.
the same. Yes, same level.
सेम लेवल. मग इथं काय होईल, एआय एजंट कुठं मूव्ह करू शकेल का नाही, त्याला वाटेल का आता ठीक आहे आपण वी हॅव रीच. येस ऑर नो?
Yes.
Sir.
He definitely cannot move in this direction. But even if he try to move in this direction, he will not going to find any better thing. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And that is called as the plateau. Got the point?
Yes.
Plateau is the flat area of the search space in which all the neighbor state of the current state contain the same value. Yes or no? Because
Yes.
because of this
Yes.
algorithm we cannot able to find the best direction to move, and hill climbing search algorithm might be lost in the plateau area. Might be lost म्हणजे हा इथंच थांबेल AI एजंट, कुठंच जाऊ शकणार नाही. गॉट द पॉइंट?
Yes.
आता याला सोल्युशन जर द्यायचं म्हटलं तर काय देता येईल? जम्प कॅन बी वन सोल्युशन. येस ऑर नो?
Yes, sir.
The solution for plateau is to take the big step. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or go on applying the randomly select a state which is far away from the current state. असं इथं आता इथं आहे ना, बरोबर, ऍट दिस पॉइंट. तर इथं न सर्च करता की लांब कुठंतरी एकदम लांब सर्च करायचं. गॉट द पॉइंट? फार अवे. दॅट इज द मिनिंग ऑफ व्हॉट? डुईंग द सर्चिंग इन द फार अवे. ओके, गॉट द पॉइंट?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if solution need to be created in this way, it can be get created. Okay, and last problem that is also the like local maxima. Okay, it's another special case of the local maxima that is called the ridges. Now can you tell me from this figure what do you mean by the ridge?
It traverses and reach to the same state as earlier.
As
or
I
as
said,
before.
it is a special form of the local maxima. Means what? There are more than one local maxima might be there. Got the point?
Yes.
Like I have shown this one, this one, this one, our actual solution at this point. Now got the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is I have mentioned, it is a special form of local maxima. It has an area which is higher than its surrounding area. It has an area which is higher than its surrounding, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
But itself has a slope like this kind of situation, and because it has the slope, that's why it cannot reach in the single movement. एका सिंगल मुवमेंट मधून त्याला पुढे जाता येईल का? नाही. So here also you need to do the jumping, or you need to select the far away state from the current state. Understood? So that is nothing but the point of reach. So these three are the problems being there in case of the hill climbing algorithm, both in the case of the simple hill climbing and both in the case of steepest hill climbing searching algorithm. All of you understood these two algorithms?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
tell me
Yes,
the
sir.
difference between the simple hill climbing and the steepest hill climbing.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between the simple hill climbing and the steepest hill climbing?
So
In
simple
simple-
hill climbing मध्ये
Yes, Rohini.
So simple hill climbing मध्ये सिंगल सक्सेसरच कम्पेअर केला जातो.
And here we compare the multiple.
Next, multiple neighbors.
That is only the difference here in case of the simple and the steepest. Nothing more than this. Understood? These problems are related with the both of these, correct? In case of the simple also, and in case of the steepest also, these three problems always occurs. Got the point?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So that's it for the today. This is the quote for you today. Respect is a mirror. The more you show it to the other people, the more they will reflect it back. You must be able to see this bird and its mirror. Yes. Also, you must be able to see this tree and its mirror. Okay. Very
Yes, sir.
important. So thank you all of you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Next,
sir.
in the next lecture, our last point we will cover, and then this unit is finished. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you all of you.